Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, Jamil.
Oh, hi. So I
Hi, how are you?
fine, thank you. How are you?
Yeah, I'm also good.
I
Tell me, tell me.
I say Mr. Rakesh is not here, huh?
Yeah, he is joining. He said he's joining.
Okay, fine. Okay.
Yeah, meanwhile, we can discuss this part. No issue.
Uh, these okay. So I start from one corner. Actually, in this station one, the scenario is a little different. So do you see my
Yes, yes, yes.
AutoCAD here, or
Yeah,
I?
yeah, clearly I'm seeing.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, I can able to see.
Fine. So here, we have two extra viaducts.
Yes, yes, yes.
Two extra viaducts. In this side here, actually, I project these lines to the section of the drawings. So Mr. Rakesh is here.
Okay. Yeah, I think he's joining. See one.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Hi.
Rakesh.
Yeah, I have learned. Yes.
Okay,
Oh,
he's also available now.
okay,
Yes,
okay, fine,
let us go.
fine. We are discussing. We have projected these lines in the sectional drawing. So this line is actually this line, huh? This one. Okay. So here we have some height limitations. So this line, what you can see, this is 2675. So we have to make our cable trace 2675 or lower, huh?
Oh,
So here what we did two cable trays, 2675 and 2400. So here you have,
actually, there are four cable trays that you have two trays you have considered as 2675 and two you have considered as 2400, right?
yes. So the above two cable trays, which were 300 and 300, we will make it
Hmm.
600. Okay, and the,
Okay, instead of 300, you will give 600. Okay, no issue.
yeah, okay, but the heights will be like this: 2400 and 2675.
Okay.
Okay, so from here, two 300 cable trays are coming from the height 2675, and it is coming, and maybe we will connect a T here, and it will go this area, huh? It will go here, and okay,
Okay.
no issues. It will stop somewhere here. Here I check one thing. See, one leg of this cable tray support is falling in the beam. So is it okay if we move it like 200 to the right, like this way?
Just can you please zoom out the screen, or else let us see
Huh?
in our drawing
Huh?
where you are pointing. We have also downloaded the drawing, right?
Okay. Yes. This
So you
is
want to basically shift this tray towards the grid number A. I mean, grid number A, right? Yes,
yes.
right.
To our
By
grid
200
number
mm.
AB. 200 mm.
Rakesh, can you please just check and confirm? Is it okay for you or not? Above 1.5 kV DC switchgear, the LT tray position, they would like to shift it to 200 towards the 33 kV switchgear. Is it okay or not?
Hey, if it is shifted, then it will be out the HSCB, no?
Jamil San.
Yeah, actually,
But they are going to shift the only support, I guess, not the cable tray. Cable tray location will be written same.
okay,
Only the support they are going to shift,
maybe
right?
cable tray will be moved 50 mm or 100 mm.
Is it required? Because the support I'm seeing there is a
Gap.
difference. Let me see measure it how much it is there. So I'm seeing something like 111, 100 mm space is there between the tray and the edge of the support.
Huh.
So you can retain the tray in the same position and you can move by okay, you want 200 mm, so 50 mm will be moved.
50 mm, maybe 100 mm.
Ultimately the tray will be positioned 50 mm away from the panel.
Yes.
Is it okay, Rakesh?
Yes, yes, okay, no issue.
50 mm is okay for you, so that they can move the support by 200 mm.
Yeah.
Ultimately,
200 mm, okay, okay, okay.
For us, the constraint is only the tray.
Yes,
Tray
yes.
position,
Yes,
yes.
you can retain it.
Yes,
The support
yes.
you can shift here and there based on your convenience. We don't have any issue. But please ensure the tray position should be retained as per our input.
Yes.
This is what our request. Okay, 50 mm shifting is acceptable to us. No issue.
Yes, okay. So about 50 mm, so I will do the detailing and we'll see. So I understand the concept, okay? So here
yeah.
it is coming to 675 and coming this way. So in this side, this tray, if we move it a little to right, maybe another 100 mm, these two trays we can share a lot of supports, so this supports we can share. So can we
Which
do
tray
that?
you would like to say? Can you please repeat your thing? Sorry.
These trays, this 200 mm, sorry, 300 mm
Left.
cable trays. No issues, I see.
Okay. 300 mm trays, you want to shift it towards?
Right side.
How much?
So where the advantage will come?
So we can share the supports.
Where you are going to share the support? Show me.
This side, So we.
But in that area, you have a constraint of the height, right? So you cannot put one above other.
No, we will. We share like this, So here
you want to club. Okay, you want to club like this instead of 4 supports. You want to club into 3 only.
Yes.
Okay, shift it. No issue. That will not be any objection for us. I think
Yes,
Rakesh,
yes.
can I confirm?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, you can proceed, Jamil.
Okay.
No issue. You can club like how you have shown near that exactly below viaduct. You have shown 3 supports. So in the similar fashion, you can merge it. No issue for us.
Okay. So in the previous drawing, actually this area we have done, we have changed something already. We have shifted these things a little. So your point is your cable tray should connecting to these cutouts, right? So we are still connecting here. So I think it will not be a problem, right?
Rakesh will answer this question.
Mr. Rakesh.
Yes.
So what I'm saying
Yes,
that these cable trays are still connecting here, although we shifted this cable tray a little this side,
Okay, no issue. Okay, then apart from this converter panel.
Yeah. So this converter panel, if we use a T here, we have to stop here. So we are having a very 300 mm space empty. So can you put your cable in this way, like 300 mm empty space?
Okay. Yeah, can't this be can't this be connected between these two? Is it not possible?
No, actually if we want to connect here, we have to give another support. So let me show you. If we give another support, where it is going. See, now we are here, so if we are giving
Okay.
another support, we are coming somewhere here,
Okay.
So
Okay, we will adjust inside. Okay, no issue.
okay, so same for this this IGBT, another IGBT,
Yeah, for LT panel it is okay. But regarding this HT panel, HT route
okay.
on IGBT top.
Oh,
I
oh,
think something it is changed, I
yes,
think here.
yes, yes. So, okay, let me come to this point then. So, this cable tray is
Mm.
coming here, and actually, previously it was connecting this way and this way. The thing
Yes,
is,
yes.
this cable tray, this is the ring of the total station. So, this we cannot change. We have some limitations. So, so this we routed in this way, and this like this, huh? So from here you have to drop here, and from here we have to drop to this point.
Actually, Jamil son, actually one problem is there. Here what no, on remaining converter panels,
Hmm.
there will be fans on the top.
Oh,
Okay, and there will be some continuous heat generation will be there.
oh,
In such case, I think cable trays and these cables will get heated up.
oh, yes, problem then.
That's why in the that's why in the drawing, if you have which you have shared, that's why we have just diverted that cable trays bit outside.
Okay, okay, okay. So we cannot put the cable tray directly on the top, so we have to direct in
Yes,
another way, right?
yes,
Okay, so I will find
yes, yes,
I
yes,
will find a way. Hmm?
yes, please, yes,
Let me just take some notes.
yes, please.
Okay, fine. So this area we will see what can be done here, and
Okay,
then we come in the our LT cable HT cable tray. So
yes,
this side, what we see, this cable tray is 4320 coming here, 4320 coming
okay.
here to the cutout, right?
Hmm.
So
Yes, yes.
so actually this area we have not worked out something, so I will see how can we arrange the supports, but
Okay.
I show you one thing. So here we have two heights. One is like 2675. Huh? So this
Okay,
2675, like if we want to put this here, we have to use our only one unistrat. Huh? So one unistrat has a length of 2.5. So here we have a height of 2.7. So can we move this 300 top to the above? Huh? Can we increase the height 300 for both of the trays?
Means you want to say that the 2675 in place of the 2975, and in place of 2950 you want to give 3250.
Yes.
Why is the reason? What is the reason?
The reason is, see, here we have for this support we have to arrange like one unistart coming from here to here. Huh? So our unistart
Okay.
height is always 2.5 maximum. Hmm. But here we
Okay.
are having a height of 2.7.
Okay.
So say for example we
Now the bottom line is referring 2675
yes, here it is two.
in the section drawing. In the
Yes,
section
yes,
drawing, the
yes,
bottom line is referring
yes. This
2675.
yes, this is
Yeah.
2675. Huh.
So you have measured the clearance between the beam of bottom of the beam to that position as 2705. As your instrut is only 2.5 meter, so you want us to move the tray further above.
Yes.
Oh my. Yes, రాకేష్ ఏం చెప్దాం?
అన్న అక్కడి నుంచి మూవ్ చేస్తే మిగిలినన్ని కూడా ఉంటాయి కదా, మిగిలిన కేబుల్ ట్రైల్ అనేది కూడా ప్రాబ్లం రావా మరి?
అది డ్రాప్ ఇమ్మని చెప్పాలి. Okay, if you rise those two trays, then how you will connect the other all branching trays? You will drop it, right? Like
Okay,
HS17,
okay.
HS16, HS14. I mean, the HS17 and 16.
16, 15, 15, 9, 16 and 17.
No, HS 16, 15. Then we have to like drop. Huh?
Okay.
No,
Anyway, HS17 you cannot run it at that level. You have to run it 2675 only. HS17.
yes,
17.
yes. So
So you have to give a drop in that.
yes, like
అట్లా కరెక్టే కదా.
not a elbow or something. So it will be like directly dropping. We also do not see any T here or something like that. So just dropping.
So you will bring HS 17 or 16 to the nearby the tray and you leave it.
Yes.
And from the top we need to drop it to manually. I mean, like without any bend.
Huh.
Bend tray. We'll directly bring it to hit down and
Yes.
get it done.
Yes.
Is it okay, Rakesh?
అదే తెలియదు చెప్పన్నా.
So what they are saying is above 1.5 kV DC switch gear, the trace will be lying straight at the height of like whatever suggestions they made. And the branching trace also will come to that area at 2675 only, and there will no link between the two trays. Like one will be above and one will be below. There will no connection. Physical connection will not be there. So you have to do the cabling like while cable diverting towards the HS17. There will there will be no tray between from one level to other level. There is, for jumping, there is no tray will be there physically.
అచ్చా.
We did like that
They'll
in the
stop it.
station 1, station 3, no?
Yeah. I mean that for the few LV cable we have done in the station 3. Like the tray will be running straight, and then the bottom tray will come just stand there.
Yes,
There
yes.
will be no either dropper or bend or nothing will be there.
Yes. Is it possible here?
2300 నా ప్యానల్ హైట్, అది 1 మీటర్ అబవ్ ఉంటుంది. ప్రాబ్లం లేదా?
హెచ్డి కేబుల్ కదా, ఏముంది అంటే
బెండింగ్ ఏం ప్రాబ్లం లేదు.
ప్రాబ్లం కనిపించట్లేదు మరి. ఓకే, అదేమి ఎందుకంటే నీకు
ఏం
బెండింగ్
ప్రాబ్లం అయితే అంటే అదే ఎక్కువ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఏం పెద్ద ప్రాబ్లం కాదు, తక్కువ ఉంటే ఆలోచించాలి అంతే, కానీ నాకు ఎక్కువ ఉంటే పెద్ద ప్రాబ్లం ఏం కాదు, డ్రాప్ అయిపోతుంది అనిపిస్తుంది లాటరీ కాబట్టి.
డిస్కసింగ్ బి ఆన్లైన్ ఫర్ 1 minute. ఓకే, సో అంతే మనకి ఇష్యూ ఏం లేదు. అంటే లైక్ ఇదేమో 2675 లోనే ఉంటుంది నీకు, HS17 HS16 2675 లో ఉంటుంది.
అలా పైకి రైట్ చేసి మనం డ్రాప్ చేయాలి.
డ్రాప్ ఇన్ చేయడు వాడు, ఫిజికల్ గా ట్రే ఉండదు నీకు అక్కడ. అప్పుడు ఇంకోటి నీకు ట్రే ఎక్కడ నడుస్తుందంటే ఇప్పుడు 2675 లో కనెక్ట్ అవ్వాల్సిన ట్రే ఎక్కడ నడుస్తుంది, నీకు 2975 లో నడుస్తుంది. సో ఆ 300 mm నువ్వు మామూలుగా గాల్లో ఉంటుంది ఆ కేబుల్ కొంచెం.
అది పెద్ద ప్రాబ్లం ఏం కాదు కదా, జనరల్ అడుగుతున్నాను.
జనరల్ ఏం లేదు ప్రాబ్లం. పోయినసారి ఎల్టీ కేబుల్ ట్రేక్ చేశారు, ఈసారి హెచ్టీ కేబుల్ ట్రేక్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఎందుకంటే నీకు అది ఎలా వచ్చిందంటే నీకు S03 లో నీ ప్యానల్ పొజిషనింగ్ ఇటువైపు ఉంది, అక్కడ ఎల్టీ కేబుల్ ట్రే నువ్వు ఇటు చూపించు, హెచ్టీ అటు చూపించు. అందుకని వాడి చేంజెస్ చేయాల్సి వచ్చింది అనుకుంటా. అప్పుడే ఎల్టీకి కన్విన్స్ అయ్యాం మనం, ఇప్పుడే హెచ్టీ కన్విన్స్ అవుతున్నాం.
ఓకే,
అర్థమైందా?
అదే ఎల్టీ ఎందుకు మారిపోయాయి నాకు అర్థం కావట్లేదు. ప్యానల్ ఒకటే కదా, సరిగ్గా చూడలేదు.
ఒకటే కానీ ఫ్రంట్ నువ్వు అటు పెట్టు ఈసారి. ఇప్పుడు ఈ స్టేషన్ లో కొంచెం గ్యాప్ ఉందని చెప్పేసి ఫ్రంట్ అటు పెట్టు నువ్వు. దీనికేం ఫ్రంట్ అటువైపు ఉంది, దీనికేం ఫ్రంట్ ఇటువైపు ఉంది. ఐ మీన్ మిగతా స్టేషన్స్ లో ఫ్రంట్ కింద ఉంటుంది, ఇట్లా ఉంటుంది. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ కట్అవుట్స్ చూడు నువ్వు కావాలంటే, ఈ కట్అవుట్స్ హెచ్డి సైడ్ ఉంటాయి. అక్కడ వేరే మిగతా స్టేషన్స్ లో చూసామంటే నీ ప్యానల్ కట్అవుట్స్ కి ఇంకా లోపలికి ఉంటుంది ప్యానల్.
కరెక్ట్. ఓకే, అర్థం. అది కొద్దిగా ఇటు ఉంటుంది. ఓకే.
అందుకని ఈసారి అటుపోయింది, ఈసారి ఇట్లేదు.
కరెక్టే, అర్థమైందండి. సరేలేండి, ప్రాబ్లం ఏం లేదులేండి.
Okay, Jamil sir. Okay, that is okay. We can accept. No issue.
Okay, thank you. So then next thing is here we saw that in this section J we have a height of 3300. So there is only one cable tray. So is this connected
where?
This J section J HS6, no? Section J. Okay. So here this cable tray.
Okay, for SCD cutout, huh? For SCD cutout, I think so. This one. So Rakesh.
SCD.
Why 3300 you have given for that area?
Yeah, actually 3300 you suggested. So So this
మన దాంట్లో అలా ఏమి ఉండదునా?
एक minute, see, 1 minute, Jamil San,
Yeah,
let us
sure.
open our input drawing once for cross verifying.
వీడిది పని చేయటం మనది పని చేయదా?
మన కంట్రోల్ ఏం చేయలేం కదా, మనం మామూలుగా డెస్క్ లో చూసుకోవడం.
ఓకే, మనది ఓపెన్ చేయాలి కదా.
నేను కూడా వాడికి పంపించింది ఓపెన్ చేస్తున్నా.
ఇది ఎందుకు 3300 వచ్చింది నాకు అర్థం కావట్లేదు.
అదే నాకు అర్థం కాలే ఎందుకు ఇచ్చాం అట్లాగే. మేము మామూలుగా కంటిన్యూస్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు
అదే
కంటిన్యూస్
ఆడియో మిస్టేక్ చేయడం తెలియట్లేదు.
చూస్తున్నా. చూసావు మంది ఓపెన్ చేసాము ఆల్రెడీ.
అది ఓపెన్ అవుతుందా? మొత్తం స్టక్ అయిపోయింది అది.
Our input drawing is getting opened. Just to hold for 1 minute.
Sure.
Because we want to check why we have given 3300.
Different heights, huh?
It should be like either 2675 or it should be 2900.
Exactly.
It should be like that.
Exactly.
మన దాంట్లో ఒకటే ఉంది, సెపరేట్ గా లేదు.
I'm checking. Maybe
Okay.
the 3300 I might have given for the tray coming from the 33 kV cable to transformer.
కరెక్ట్ చెప్పారు మీరు. ఎందుకంటే బీబీ ఉంది కదా, ట్రే బీబీ. ఓకే. అవును, నా మధ్యలో ఎందుకో మిస్ అయిపోయినట్టుంది. మనం చూసినారు అనుకోండి, జేజే మధ్యలో వచ్చింది, మళ్ళీ కేకే వచ్చింది. ఎందుకు వచ్చిందో అర్థం కావట్లేదు. మేబీ మిస్ అయిపోయినట్టుంది పెట్టే దాంట్లో.
జేజే ఏం పెట్టాం
మనం జేజే 3300 ఇచ్చాం.
ఎందుకు ఇచ్చాం నీకు ఏమైనా ఐడియా ఉందా? గుర్తొస్తుంది?
లేదు, తప్పు అయిపోయినట్టుంది. యాక్చువల్లీ జేజే ఇంకెక్కడన్నా ఉందా?
అదే చూస్తుంది నేను కూడా. నెక్స్ట్ జేజే ఎక్కడ లేదు. 3000 ఒక నిమిషం నేను చూస్తున్నా అదరా బాబు. తొందరలో మళ్ళీ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ చేసి కన్ఫర్మ్ చేసిన తర్వాత అయ్యో అనుకోవడం వల్ల ఎందుకు ఇచ్చిన లాజిక్ చూస్తాను. ఇట్లా వచ్చింది కేబుల్, ఏదో ఇబ్బంది ఉండే ఉంటుంది, లేకపోతే మనం ఎందుకు ఇస్తాం. బీబీ చూద్దాం. బీబీలో ఎలా ఇచ్చాను
వచ్చిన కేబుల్ ట్రేనా? ఏ చూడండి ఫస్ట్.
ఏ 4320 అది కన్ఫర్మే కదా, అది తెలిసిందే.
ఏ వచ్చేసి 4320 ఇచ్చారన్నా. బీబీ ఓకే, బీబీ సపరేట్ ట్రే ఉంది.
బీబీ 3300 2950 ఇచ్చాను. జేజే ఎందుకు ఇచ్చాము?
నాకు తెలిసి అది బై మిస్టేక్ లో అయిపోయినట్టుంది. జేజే పాత ఉంది, మనకి చేంజ్ చేయలేదు అనిపిస్తుంది.
Jamil San, JJ will be not 3300. JJ will be at 2950. Okay.
So
not 2 times 2675. Sorry, 2675.
Okay.
JJ.
So now it will be 2675 plus 300, huh?
Yeah. Okay, you can consider that. Okay.
Just let me write it down.
Please. That was mistake from our end. Sorry.
No problem.
Because basically the tray only one has to extend it further. That's it. Is what the main purpose.
Yeah.
Whatever the behind tray 2675 2950, it has to extend. Only one tray shall extend till that point. Because the SCD cutout has been there far from the panel.
Correct.
So I'm considering the top tray will be stopping here, in this red line.
Yes, above the panel. Yeah.
Above the panel. So okay, fine. So let's discuss this. So these cable trays are 4320, again 4320 coming. This we are having 4320 again. And
no, the way that you have shown as 4320. The behind tray shall be 3300, right?
So here it will be 3300.
Yeah, 33. I mean, not
Yes.
only can I control this your screen? No.
I'm not sure. Maybe no. So this
Maybe
area,
not.
this
Okay.
area, 33.
So not only there, the complete tray from the starting, like behind HS4. You
This
can see HS4.
this
Yeah, from the entire branch should be the 33002950.
పైన ఆప్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి చూడండి, నా వ్యూ ఆప్షన్ అండి, దాంట్లో రిక్వెస్ట్ రిమోట్ కంట్రోల్ ఉంటుంది చూడండి.
View option, okay.
యు ఆర్ వ్యూవింగ్.
Yes, request.
Oh, approve. Okay. So
Basically, okay, you do editing first, then I'll let you know.
so this is what?
The 33002950 3300.
So again, this is 3300, right?
3300 two levels. It is 33002950 two levels.
Oh, here are two trays.
Yes. I have section BB only, right?
Okay.
Section BB, it is two trays.
So 2950, huh?
Yes.
Okay.
That same will be followed in the till one transformer. Two layers will be there. No issue anyway. If you maintained one place, then you can adjust accordingly later.
Just
Here I want to tell few more point also.
here it is also 33002950, right?
Yes.
Up to this area, huh?
Yeah, up to first transformer area.
Okay.
Below even that also. Now here you have to tell the possibility whether it is possible or not till the first transformer area.
This is
Because
the,
no, here the case. Wait, what we have done below the viaduct, we have changed it, right? We have to change.
yes.
Because we cannot do it. How much we have asked below viaduct, the CC section CC right side tray. Section CC right side tray, we have asked 750. So below viaduct it will be timed as 750.
750 ఒకటి 450 into what is it?
450 is yours. I mean for DC switch gear.
అచ్చా.
Okay.
ఒకటే దాంట్లో పెట్టారా? ఎక్సలెంట్.
Jamil San.
actually I'm not completely understood, so let me find out where the
Yeah.
transformer is.
Let me. Can I control?
Sure.
Can I control?
Please go ahead.
Yeah. Now I'm able to get. Can you please give me hand? You press P and give me. I'm checking. No. Okay. So I can able to move this cursor, right?
Yes.
I'm trying. It's going. Actually, the response is coming a bit late. That's the reason
Yes.
it's going out.
Okay, so let me zoom in to the system, huh? Okay, I'm going to zoom in and then give to you, huh?
Yeah. I will not zoom anymore. I'll just use the cursor. Near to 33 kV panel, you go and give it to me.
33
Yeah,
kV
33
panels,
kV.
huh?
Yeah, where we are discussing right now. That's it. In that area.
This area, huh?
You bring it down bit. If you move bit down. Yeah, leave it as such. That's it.
Okay. Tell me.
Yeah. Wait, it's getting. Now, see from here. From here, the cable has to run two trays, 33002950, like this, and it will be moving in this fashion. And then till below the viaduct, we have clubbed these two trays to 750 mm. Okay.
Yes.
Till here, are you clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So these are the two trays. You move. Don't move further.
Okay.
Let me explain there only.
Okay. Then.
So here you see, I'm seeing that the your support channels are coming above the panel.
Yes.
Basically the panel height is 3315. If I'm asking 2950, then you have to extend your supports to that level. Okay. But my panel is height itself 3315. Then how you will manage here? Because I'm seeing that it is infringing here.
Oh yes. So.
Then either I should increase the height of the tray furthermore, or you have to. Is there any possibility to shift towards here? Because I know that there is no gap. Can you please zoom it yourself and check whether is there any possibility of shifting?
Yeah, just let me first check the area. Okay, this area. Okay, so this area, can we like route it in this area through these things?
Yeah. Why we have done that? Basically, your HT equipment connection only we are thinking of. Okay,
Okay.
you have now routed through P03 area. That's the reason we have taken such a bend. Okay, if you are taking it to P03, then you please take straight and get it connected.
Okay.
No need of this many bends.
Okay.
Okay.
So we are then connecting it to like something like this. Huh?
I was trying to leave some space for you in the between the column and the cutouts. Okay,
Yeah.
so that for LT tray, I was expecting you will take that area.
Yeah.
So you are using through P03 room, so no
Yeah.
issue.
Okay, so we let me try to arrange it in this way so that this tray can pass here and connect here.
Yes, yes, super. That is easier for you and me also.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. And
And you can use 750 tray from the here itself, like from wherever you feel convenient. Okay, because I clubbing in the below viaduct and after that also will not affect much anymore. So you can club anywhere that 750. You can give it anywhere in the sense you can start 750 tray after this column. One column is there right here.
yes, this
Here
column.
one column, Yeah. After this column, you can start 750 tray and you can give the bend like this.
Okay.
So that you can avoid number of trays as a two number here in
Yes.
this area.
Okay, so
So,
up to here it
yeah.
is 2 numbers, or up to this area it is 2 numbers.
No, up to this area, two numbers I have given right now.
Yes, up to this
Okay.
area. Up to this area, right?
Yeah, up to this
Yeah,
area. Why? Because below the viaduct, giving two trays
Yeah.
is not possible.
Yes, yes.
That's the reason we have clubbed it to 750 here. So that 750 change, you
Yeah.
can do it here for your convenience. If
Yes,
there
yes,
any.
yes. Understood, understood. Thank you.
And how you will manage here, you tell me first. Be side by the panel. Side by the panel, the whatever I told you now,
Huh.
the height of the panel is 3315.
So that
Then
panel.
how you will manage?
So
The meeting
that.
has been uploaded.
So
For that area,
so
how
that panel is stopping here, right? That 3300 height panel. Huh?
no panel is stopping at where? See, just go there, top.
This panel. This.
Near 33K panel you have to go because it's getting loaded after some time. That's the reason. Yeah.
So
So BPT2, you are able to see BPT2,
BP.
BPT2.
BPT2. Yes.
Yes. So there I am saying that the panel height is 3315.
Okay. Okay.
But tray we are asking a 2950. Is there any column between the space you
Yes.
found, or can you reduce the width of the Unistrut channel to below a bit less?
Okay, that maybe can be done. Maybe we put one support here and another support here and keep some space in the middle.
Column area you leave it and
Yes.
you move the tray only in that
Yes.
location.
Yes.
And try in this area. Please note this point. This is the major point I am finding in this
Okay.
drawing. Okay. But levels are okay. 3300 2950. If you say that it is not possible, then I will give the revised levels. Okay.
Okay.
If try to accommodate in these levels, if not possible, we'll give the other levels. Okay. Anything else you want us to confirm today in this meeting?
Yes, just give me some time. I'm not taking some
Yeah.
notes.
Tablet test करना.
Okay, Amara-san. In this area, what we need to tap some connection from your transformers. So, what I suggest that we have this tray of yours, and then we move our tray a little to this side, by this side, and we remove this tray.
No. Wait. Before that, I will tell you. There is a cutout I have shown for you.
Yeah.
See, rear side there is a rectangle cutout.
Yes.
Rear side.
Yes.
Are you able to see or not?
Left side, huh?
Can I control?
Yes.
Can
please,
I control? Yeah.
please.
This is your LT cable coming out. These are the two cutouts for you.
Okay.
Okay. From the here only the cable will be coming out.
Okay.
So you have to place your tray above this one, not here.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then
So I left the space for you only in that area.
okay, fine, thank you. And so then we remove this control cable tray, huh? This green color tray.
Yeah, we can, if we allow
You
us to use
you
your
use
tray,
our tray,
then
huh?
no issue. We
Yeah.
can.
Okay.
No. So hello,
Huh.
sorry. The let this tray should be there. Only tap of connection you can you can trim here. You
Yeah,
can trim in this portion.
we can do that. Here what is happening, one is above another, no? So that is why we want to move it a little.
No. What I'm saying, you let the tray be in this position,
Hmm.
and you keep your tray brace. I mean, side by my panel.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
But what I'm saying, the branch connection, let it be.
Okay.
If you need a main connection, you trim it over here.
Yeah.
Like I'm pointing here. So you let it be here. Okay. You
Yeah.
let it be here, and you trim it here. You trim it here, and I can merge with your tray. No issue.
Yes. But my problem is, you see, this cable tray and this cable tray will be in top of one another, which is not possible.
No. That's what I'm saying. Now you have to remove your tray and keep it here,
Yes,
right
yes,
side, because
exactly, exactly.
this is the LT panel. This is the LT cable cutout for you.
Yes,
So you have
exactly.
to shift your tray to
Yes,
here.
yes, that I will do. That I will do.
So there is no question of one upon
Yes,
another, right? Then
yes. Not will be above another, huh? No problem. So we will move our tray to that side. Hmm?
okay,
Okay.
okay. You do. I mean, you do change and let
Yeah,
me know. And
of course.
if any further discussion required, we'll have a meeting. No issue again.
Okay.
But you are bringing the one LT tray straight above the panel. Is
Okay.
it possible?
No, not possible. So we will remove this tray, and the reason why we put this tray, it is for a viaduct DB which is in the platform level. So we want to use your cable tray for this purpose. Huh? So this green
No. Okay. You just explain me what is the purpose of this tray.
one cable is 125 SQM cable is going to platform.
Okay. Where is the platform location then?
The cutout is here.
I'm not able to see the cutout.
In the very left side, huh? Near RS HS25.
Here HS25 it is there.
Yeah.
Hmm.
1 minute. Let me see. HS25 one cutout is ఉందారా నాకు కనబడలేదు కట్అవుట్
ఉంది
ఓకే
HS25 కి ఆ జంక్షన్ పాయింట్ ఉంది కదా, అక్కడ ఉంది చూడండి, లైట్ గ్రే కలర్ టైప్.
ఓకే అదేలే. బట్ అక్కడ సపోర్ట్ కూడా ఇచ్చాడు ఈ పనికి మాలినోడు, ఎలా ఇచ్చాడు మరి. ఓకే, for that you will use the tray, that is fine, no issue. But how the I mean, so you will remove the entire tray?
అన్ని క్రాసింగ్ అలా అయితేనట.
You will remove the remaining entire tray. Let me add a tray above the transformer. It is not possible to lay like this, or else we need to check the cross section first, how it will be done.
Okay.
This tray, this portion to above 82. Are you able to understand, Jamil-san?
Yes.
This above 82, whether this branch is possible or not, you need to see carefully.
Yes. So you have given us the height of the transformer.
Yeah, I have given. If you want, I can say. You can see in the equipment layout.
Okay, I will
Let
check.
me see in the input drawing also. But or else you note down. I'll tell you if you find or not. I'm opening my vendor drawing, and I'll let you know immediately now.
Okay.
That is what transformer? 1000 kV transformer, a bigger one.
1600? Oh, I don't know.
No, it is 1000 kVA transformer.
Okay.
Transformer is 1000 kVA.
Okay.
1 minute. It's 1000 kVA height, clear height of the transformer. Because 1 minute. The document is opening. It's got stuck. 1 minute. So it is 200, 630. Yeah, 1000 kV transformer height comes. You please note down, Jamil-san, 2565 is the clear height of the transformer. 2565 overall height of the transformer.
Okay.
2565.
Okay. Your
Okay.
these transformers are cabinet type, right?
Yeah, type? What type?
Cabinet type.
Dry type. Yeah, cabinet type. Yes, dry type only.
Yeah, okay. So we can have some space above this, huh?
What?
Yeah, so we can pull our cable tray in this area then, huh?
Yeah, you see, you have to check the
Arrange.
because the height in that area, viaduct height is more than 2675, but it's the curvature area.
Yes. So say for example, your height is 2.6, so we put our cable tray in like above 2.6. So okay,
Just
okay.
check.
I will do some
Or else
detailing and give you.
Jamil san, you can do one more thing. Extreme end, you can take the cables because my cables will be terminated in the middle of the transformer. So you can shift your transformer, your tray like this.
We wanted
To the
to do
extreme
that.
end.
Yeah, we have a this column here, huh? So that is the big issue, no?
Oh, okay, I have also just seen now.
And this area is retail. Otherwise, we would use this area, no?
Okay.
Many issues. Okay. So I will do some detailing and then see what can be done, no?
Okay, then let me know if any I can help. I'll let you know. Okay, if anything I can adjust myself.
I will
Or
update.
else you okay, but basically 33 kV can be clubbed with LT tray is not suggestible.
Yeah.
That's the reason I don't want to club it actually.
Yes.
The LT cable tray, okay, let us club, no issue.
Yes.
But history tray we cannot club it.
Exactly. So from this area, these two cable trays are coming. So we are keeping all this two trays 4.1, and this one is 4.4.
Hmm.
See, these two heights are required, or we can use one height.
In that area, our Rakesh San will answer this.
Mr. Rakesh.
San?
Yes.
So two height is required, or we can use one.
4.4. Yeah, 1 second. I'm taking my drawing. GG.
ఎందుకు 4450 ఎందుకు తీసుకున్నావు దాన్ని అంత హైట్?
అక్కడ యాక్చువల్లీ జీజీ రెండు ఉన్నాయినా, పైన ఒకటి కింద ఒకటి ఉన్నాయి జీజీ.
ఓకే, అదే చెప్పైతే ఏముంది.
రెండు ఉన్నాయి కానీ రెండు హెడ్ చేసుకోలేనే. 2675 జీజీ వచ్చేసి Jamil san.
Yes.
At this location, no? At this location, there are two cable trays, no?
Yes.
At DG.
Yes.
One at 4,100 and one at 4,000. 4,450, I think.
Yeah, 4450.
Basically 4100, all three trays are there. At 4450, only one tray will be there.
Okay.
Jamil san, did you understand?
Not actually, so let me write it down. No?
Okay, there are three trays parallelly. All three trays will be like at 4100, all three trays will be there, and at 4450 only one tray will be there. You check our sections properly, then you will understand.
Section G, right?
Section G and section E1. Yes, section G and section E. One more is section E.
Okay.
E ela ichora?
Section E na.
E 3450 icho. Okay.
అది మీది మాది కంబైన్ అయింది అనమాట. 3 ఈ వచ్చేసి
ఈ సిసి కదా కంబైన్. ఈ ఎక్కడ కంబైన్?
ఈవన్
కంబైన్. ఈ కూడా కంబైన్ అయింది. ఓకే అక్కడ నుంచి బ్రాంచ్ తీసుకున్నాం కదా.
33 kV కేబుల్ కోసం అని చెప్పి ఇక్కడ డైవర్ట్ చేశాడు మీరు ఒకటి.
Yeah, understood now.
So section E, I see two cable trays, one above another, 450 cable trays, but in the plan I see
section GG.
Section
GG is one above the other, and section E it will be side by side, no?
Yeah.
Jamil san, section E1 is different, section E is different. Please understand.
Okay, so this is your E1. So here you are keeping 4.1. So this can we move this?
No.
To
You are misunderstood. Let me tell you. Wait, I will control. Section E comes like this. This is the section E. These two trays shall be 3450.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
These two shall be 3450, and then it will be clubbed here 3450 and 4100, and then it will move to here like this.
Okay.
One 4100 will be going like this, and one is going like this.
Okay.
Okay, because the space constraint is here, we clubbed both into one upon other. Basically, these two are coming separately. If you see here, 2675, then 3450, 3450 will be continued here, and then because the transformer height is more 3.8, we have raised it to 4.1 level.
Fine.
And then the bottom one we retained it to 2675 and we went it like this.
Fine.
Okay, and this, here two trays are there up to here, because the number of cables will be 10 to 15 to 20 cables will be there.
18
So from
cables.
here to here, two trays will be there. One tray will be branching here, one tray will be branching here.
Branching.
Okay.
Yes.
So
Yes.
here one tray, but here two trays will be there in this area. So you please
Okay,
read our section once again.
Yes, yes.
You will understand
Yeah,
clearly.
okay, okay.
You cloud it here in this area. You cloud it and get.
Okay.
Please read once again.
Okay. Okay. So I will do some sections in these areas, and I will check back with you, huh? Oh,
Yeah.
so
Because the transformer.
so I think these were
And
the
one more. What is this tray is running here? What is this tray? This one?
Which one? So this
This
will,
LS5, whatever.
this we remove. We remove.
Yeah, that is not required, right?
Not
Because
required.
you said you will use our tray.
Exactly.
Okay, you use no issue for us now. We don't have any problem. One cable means we can accommodate.
Yes.
One cable, but you please let us know if you want to use any place
Yeah.
your cable in our trays.
Yes,
So
yes.
that
In the note I will
we
mention.
can check and let you know, because if 1-2 cables means we can manage, no issue.
Yes, yes.
No need to mention.
Yes.
But if it is more also,
Yeah.
it is not possible. Just make for our mutual understanding. I am letting you know this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. So I will do the detailing and give you and Mr. Rakesh the drawings, huh?
Yeah. I hope you clear. We have cleared the queries majorly you are having today.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes. So most of the issues are
So-
cleared. So let's see, huh?
Okay. We will wait for your final drawing, so
Yeah.
we can have a discussion on that
Solid.
and close this issue. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So
Yes.
thank you both for time in this holiday period.
Yeah.
Take care.
No, it's not holiday. It's work from home.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you,
Okay.
Shamesh.
Take care. Bye.
Yes. Thank you. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.